Good morning. It's Gord again. I'm in front of the Garneau Theatre. Its long, vibrant history to Edmonton's entertainment community is well documented. All of us need relief from day to day. This is one place the people of Edmonton could do that. It's important to preserve places of distinct heritage, and the people of Edmonton decided the Garneau would receive designation a municipal historic resource. As the original windows were damaged beyond repair, Permaseal provided historic replications of the original windows that are installed above. Permaseal, a great job every time.